orgiastic and drunken divinity, whirling Menaids and staggering satyrs, Dionysus, the lord of the vine, is still present in the drunken rites taking place around the world every night. Nobody knows the true origins of the god. He swirls between being the son of Zeus, the thigh-born god, or an ancient god, older even than the Olympians, and having existed ever since men reveled in his psyche. Notwithstanding from whence he came, the cult of the Dionysius stretches back millennia, extending as far as archaic Crete in Egypt. Here he may have been a vegetation god, the one who first taught man how to inseminate the herb with the vine, and themselves with madness. His cult was one of mystery, as was he, a shapeshifter from the far east who died to be reborn. Whether his travels were to India, Egypt, or the underworld, he always returned surrounded by his ecstatic followers. These frequent reincarnations, descents to the underworld before rebirths, offer the idea of multiple Dionysiae. His festivals, the Dionysia, the Anthestria, Ascolia, and the Linnea, were chaotic events. Trance music, early psychedelic drugs, strong unmixed wine, and the madness of the initiated crowd. Here Dionysus was in his chaotic element. I call upon loud roaring and reveling Dionysus, primeval, thrice-born Bacchic lord, wild, ineffable, secretive, two-horned and two-shaped, ivy-coloured, bull-faced, warlike, howling, pure. You take raw flesh, you have feasts, wrapped in foliage, decked with grape clusters, resourceful Euboreus, immortal god sired by Zeus when he mated with Persephone in unspeakable union. Hearken to my voice, O blessed one, and with your fair girdled nymphs breathe on me in a spirit of perfect agape. Dionysus appeals to the primal spirit in each and every one of us. His centaurs, satyrs, whirring and whirling and twisting and drowning, nymphs and Menaids surround the lord of the vine as he rides his bulls, his leopards, and drags the sanity out of our collective consciousness.